A very good evening, one and all. On behalf of the trustees, management, principal, HODs, staff, and the students of SA Engineering College, I extend a warm welcome to one and all present in this virtual platform. To know more about our college, SA Engineering College was established in the year 1998 and is successfully continuing its educational service beyond 25 years of excellence. SA Engineering College has taken the forefront of technical education through its distinctively different and carefully nurtured standards. The college is approved by the AICTE New Delhi and affiliated to Anna University, accredited by the NBA, and also has an A grade from the NAC, and also is an ISO 9001-2015 certified institution. The college believes in preparation for the life ahead in all earnest and provides every opportunity to grow beyond academics. In view of the same, many in-house programs like placement trainings, value-added courses, workshops, symposiums, and guest lectures are also organized to make the students industry ready. We all have assembled here today to motivate and cherish the young minds present among us. At this juncture, I feel honored to welcome our resource person, Ms. B. Sharmi, third year IT, SA Engineering College.
Good evening to everyone, and this is Sharmi here. Thank you for your warm welcome, ma'am. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to everybody. Okay. Today our topic is role of artificial intelligence in real-time applications. Before going to the artificial intelligence role in real-time application, first we need to know about what is artificial intelligence. So, in my session, I'm going to take about the basic of artificial intelligence and role of artificial intelligence in real-time application will be carried out by Rasiar. Okay. This is our table of content. First, we are going to see about what is artificial intelligence and history of AI, types of AI, difference between AI, ML, and reinforcement learning, and ANN, NLP, NLG, NLU, advantages of AI, disadvantages of AI, future trends of AI, and role of AI in real time applications. Okay. First, we need to know about what is artificial intelligence. The name itself it resembles. We will divide the word artificial intelligence into artificial and intelligence. Artificial means a man made thing, and intelligence means thinking power. We are, in we are enabling the machines to think like a human being. And it also includes us expert systems, natural language processing, and speech recognition and machine vision. In technical terms, artificial intelligence are also defined as human intelligence processed by machine. Okay. Next, we are moving to the history of AI. In 1943, the artificial intelligence started its emerging technique in the form of artificial neurons. And in 1950, it mainly depends upon the turning machines. That is, it takes involves us in the process of checking the machine ability to exhibit the intelligent behavior. In 1956 is called as a birth of AI, and it also referred to as a golden years of artificial intelligence because in this period they started for developing a humanoid robot. In 1966 to 1980 is called as they are mostly depending upon the process for decision making ability for the system, and this period of year up to 1974 to 1980 is considered as a first AI winner. And in 1997, it called as a emergence of intelligent agents. Emergence of intelligent agents. In this period, uh, a chess championship has been beaten by an AI. And in 2002, the AI is involved in the business techniques, that is in Twitter, Facebook, and Netflix. In 2011, it involves in the process of deep learning, big data, and artificial general intelligence. That is the IBM Watson wins as a quiz show by using this all these techniques. In 2012, a Google Now was introduced, and in 2014, a chatbot Igni Goodsman wins as a turning test. And in 2015, Amazon Echo was introduced. Next, we are going to the types of AI. There are three types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. First, we are going to see about what is narrow AI. Narrow AI is also referred to as a weak AI. That is a computer or a machine which having the solving a simple problem and helps us in supporting the human. And this AI is designed to perform a specific task that only solving specific problem. And this narrow AI is also includes Siri, Alexa. These all come under the narrow AI. And next, we are going to see about general AI. General AI is the process which allows us the machine to learn uh, and performs as a task much as like a human, not exactly human, much as like a human. And it also includes as a common senses, background knowledge, transfer learning, abstraction, and casuality. Now we are going to see about super AI. This super AI is also called as a strong AI. This is most of the company are preferring, because in this process machines just do the work as exactly like a human. And in this super AI, it enables us its thinking capability and problem solving skills and learning capabilities, just like a human being. Next, we are going to see about the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. We all seen that AI is the process that involves us to machine that involves us in the process of machine to think and work like a human. And now we are going to see about what is machine learning and deep learning. If we AI want to work in a proper manner, then machine learning and deep learning is needs there. So we are going to see about what is machine learning and deep learning. Okay. First of all, we are going to seeing about machine learning. Machine learning is also one of the subfield of artificial intelligence, and it also involves in the process which also involves in the process of learning from the past data and make decision. In this process, um, the machines will be fed with a large amount of data, and from that data the machines will analyze and categorizes the data and learn from the data or from the past experience, and it will make the decision. So in machine learning, it consists of three types. One is supervised learning, and another one is unsupervised learning, and another is reinforcement learning. Okay. First of all, we are going to see about supervised learning. As I mentioned earlier, and it will be learn from the past data and make decision. In supervised learning is just like that, but it have been mentioned as a labeled data set. It will be mentioned in the form of a labeled data set, and depending upon the labeled data set it will make a decision. Let I make it more clear. In a supervised learning, let consider an example. If we are feeding the machines with the photos of fruits, okay, uh, in that the machines will be feeded along just with the fruit features. For example, in apple it will be in a round in shape and it will be in red color. Like that, orange it will be in a round in shape, it will be in orange in color. Like that, the machines will learn along just with the features of the data. So depending upon the feature, the machine will categorize and produce the output and make a decision. Whereas in unsupervised learning, it is an unlabeled data, just opposite to the supervised learning. Here we only feed here we only feed the data, and that is the images. Let us consider a scenario. We are feeding the machine with the photos of dogs and a cat. The machine sir will automatically classify its features depending upon the dog face and the cat face, and some of the behavior of dog and some of the behavior of cats, and learn itself. So unsupervised learning is fully dependent upon a labeled data set, whereas sorry unlabeled data set, whereas a supervised learning is fully depends upon the labeled data set. Okay, let me move to the reinforcement learning. And reinforcement learning is also a subfield of machine learning. In this reinforcement learning, the machines will be learned just from the feedback. It may be a positive feedback or it may be a negative feedback, and will make a decision. Okay, let it make more clear. In this scenario, we will see an agent here. We will see a agent here, and the agent want to reach the reward. Okay, in the environment here there are some of the hurdles. So the agent want to take a correct path to reach the destination and to make a decision. If the agent choosing the first path, it will be reach the hurdles in between the fire. So the agent will learn just from the feedback. Here there is a fire, so we need to choose an another path. So the agent chooses an another path without an hurdle and reach the reward. Like this process, the reinforcement learning will be work. So, and then we gonna to see about deep learning. So most of them have a doubt between what is a machine learning and what is deep learning, because both are mostly performing the same. Both are mostly performing the similar tasks. In a machine learning, we will give the input, and along with that, we will extract the futures of the input, feed the futures of the input into the machine, and then the machine will be classified and analyze it, and then considered it. Here the input have been given just here in machine learning, the input have been given along with the feature extraction, and then the machine classifies as the feature and checks whether it is a car or not a car. So whereas in deep learning, we will feed only the input. The machine automatically classifies and extracts its features in different layers. Here you can see the machine says it automatically classifies it and extracts it into a different features, and automatically um, providing the output whether it is a car or not a car. This is how, yeah, deep learning will work. Here we have seen a deep learning. Under the deep learning, there is a big technique is called artificial neural network, which is a main concept of performing a deep learning. So we are going to see about the artificial neural network. It's just the artificial neural network concept have been emerged from our neural network, that is our biological neural network. For example, if someone is touching my hand, and how the signal will be processed to main, how will you react to that, it depends fully depends upon the working of our neuron. In the neuron, the dendrites will receive the signal as an input, and in the nucleus it will process the signal, and through the axon and synapses it will transfer the signal to the another neuron. It will be done within a fraction of a second, and like this the machines are going to be work here. Here you can see the inputs have been given into the node, and the processing of the data will be done in the neuron, and the output will be passed to the another neuron, as like the machines are going to be work. In the artificial neural network, it will be composed of three layers. One is input layer, and another one is hidden layer, and the next one is called as an output layer. Here, input layer is one, we will feed the data, and in hidden layer, it may be consists of two or more hidden layer. It will be depends upon the input what we have feed to it, and in the output, and depending upon the hidden layer, it will classify and analyzes the data and produces the output. Let us consider a scenario. We are going to check a dog breed. Before checking the process, we will feed the machines with lot of data and lot of dog breed data. So the machines will be analyzed and classifies itself how each and every breed of the dog will look like. In this, the dog breed input will be given. Depending upon the input, the hidden layer will be there. So in this hidden layer, it will process the data and analyzes and classify it, as like in the deep learning. It will classify it based on the features. So and then it provide the result. This is how an artificial neural network will be work. Then we are going to see about use of AN. Why we are using artificial neural network? Pattern recognition. As I mentioned earlier, It will classify based on the features and the pattern. So for this purpose, we are using an artificial neural network and recommendation system. Based on for recommendation, we are using this. Let us consider a music system. If a person is wanted to listen to a melody music, and he will listen to three melody music. In the intermediate, the app will automatically recommend him a rap music. But if we quit it and listen again a melody music, it will learn us from the previous data. So and automatically the app will be recommend melody music. Like that, the artificial neural network will be work. It will learn us from the data, previous data. And financial analysis. ANN also employed in the financial applications, which includes us in the stock market prediction and credit risk assessment, fraud detection, and algorithmic trading, and automation of vehicles. Nowadays, ANN is also used for the vehicle automations and medical diagnosis. Medical diagnosis, which also include the analyzing the patient's data, including their medical images, symptoms, and the patient's history, and then make a decision what the disease that the patient having. Next, gaming ANN. And ANN is also used in the gaming technique, which also including a strat game and broad game and video game. And they also use the reinforcement learning also. And robotics. The main concept where ANN is using is robotics. In robotics, the ANN concept is used for perception, control, and also for the decision making. Next, this is one of the important topic in artificial intelligence, that is natural language processing. So it also one of the subfields of an artificial intelligence. Uh, the natural language processing means the machine that have an ability to understand what we speak and responses to us according to it. For example, if we are using nowadays we are using Google, okay Google, like the Siri, Alexa, it will be um, communicate with that according to our languages. For example, if you are using a okay Google, if you speak in Tamil, it automatically respond to us in a Tamil language. So like so d- for this process, the natural language processing is used. And in natural and it also assisting a computer to understand our knowledge. So how this natural language processing is working means, if you if we say something, it will record our audio and convert our audio into text format, and process the text by using a NLP and machine learning, and then provide the response. This is how the natural language processing is work. And natural language processing is composed of two subfields, that is, one is natural language generation and natural language understanding. Okay. First, natural language generation. Natural language generation means it is full of a structured data. That is, if we are asking something query to the machines, the reply is generated by using the natural language generation. For this purpose, the natural language generation is used, as I mentioned in the NLP. So it will reply to us according to our language. Next, natural language understanding. Natural language, why we are using a natural language understanding means, it will understand our human language and convert the language into data. This is the main use of natural language understanding. Okay. Now we are going to see about advantages of AI, enhanced decision making. So this is the one of the main purpose why we are going to an AI to make a decision correctly. And automation and efficiency. Automation means To perform as a task, for performing a repetitive task, we are going to the automation process, and the result provided by this process will be highly accurate and will be in an efficient manner. And then advanced enhancement and enhancing customer services. For enhancing customer services, the artificial intelligence is used, such as nowadays we are using a chatbots and virtual assistants, which enables us our business to provide a 24 bar 7 customer services. And then advanced data analysis, and AI technique uses this advanced data analysis, such as machine learning and data mining, which enables us our business to extract a valuable data from that. Assistant in research and science. Nowadays artificial intelligence are mostly using in the like assistant in research and science to contribute a scientific research by processing a vast amount of data, and also used this technique for stimulation modeling complex system. And then reduction in human error. Yes, absolutely. This is why we are going moving to AI to reduce human error, because we are programming the machine to perform the task, so the machine will correctly perform the task in a 24 bar 7 and without any error. Next, digital assistants. Nowadays AI are also used in the digital assistants, and there are many medical techniques which have been proposing the digital assistant. We will directly consult to the doctors by through a virtual assistant also nowadays. And performing repetitive jobs. To perform the repetitive jobs, we are moving to an AI. As usual, if there is an advantage, there must be a disadvantage behind that. High cost. Yeah. To performing an artificial intelligence, it will be a high cost, and the maintenance is also will be in a high, and no creativity. Yes, we will feed the machine to perform a certain task only, so it will perform the same task in a repetitive manner and did not have any creativity in that in the work. And unemployment. If AI are using in most of the domains, then it will be lead to an unemployment to many people. Make human lazy. Yeah, if we are mostly depending upon the machine to perform a single job, it will make us more lazy. And emotionless. Artificial intelligence are emotionless one. They will perform the task what we say. And privacy violation. In privacy violation, the data what we have feeded into the machines is maybe threaded. Dependency on data. Yes, if you want a machine to work, sorry, if you want a machine to work, to perform a specific task, we need to feed the data. First of all, we need to feed a data into the machine. Depending upon the data, it will analyze and classifies us, and it will perform the next task. So artificial intelligence is mainly depending upon the data, and there is no ethics and no improvement. Next, future trends in AI in robotics and autonomous systems is that AI is a powered robots and also used in the autonomous systems will increase their adaptation across the industries. And this is one of the future trends, and it also includes as a vehicle, drones, and warehouse automations and collaborative robots. And AI in healthcare. Nowadays, AI is also using in healthcare to act as a for an surgery and also for drug discovery. And AI and cyber security. AI has the potential to both cyber security defense and face new threats. In the future, threats of an AI using a cyber security is also involved in the threat detection anomaly detection, and response automations. Through this, the AI attacks will become an important area of research. AI in edge computing. In edge computing, it involves us in the process of a data closer to the source and reducing the latency, and it will enhance real-time capabilities. And AI models directly feed on the devices, which enabling the localization and decision making, and the improvement in a privacy and the reduced dependency and the cloud infrastructure also. Continued advancement in deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of a machine learning, as we have seen earlier. Yet, in the future, advancement in the deep learning is it expected to enhance AI capabilities more further and enabling more complex tasks such as natural language processing, understanding, and image and video analysis and reinforcement learning. And agriculture. Uh, Nowadays, the IoT devices and some of the AI devices are used in the agriculture. In future, the artificial intelligence may help for the enhancement of an agriculture. Human resource manager management. In interview session filtering the process, for filtering process, this AI technique may be used. Nowadays, it is used in some of the companies, but in future, it may be used by most of the companies. And thank you. Now I hand over the session to Rasika for role of artificial intelligence in real time application.
Good evening to everyone. I think my screen is visible. Okay, as followed by Sharmi, I'm one second. As followed by Sharmi, I'm going to take the application of artificial intelligence. Okay, in previous presentation, she explained about AI, how history of artificial intelligence, types of artificial intelligence, difference between AI, ML, reinforcement learning, artificial neural network, natural language processing, natural language understanding, advantage and disadvantage of AI. Now we're going to discuss about the topic of role of AI in real time application. Okay, AI can be used in many fields like gaming, astronomy, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, e-commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, data security, finance. These are the applications we can use with the help of AI. Nowadays, AI plays a major role in our digital world. Okay, let me discuss each application briefly. AI in gaming industries. Artificial intelligence has a significant impact on gaming industry in recent years, with many games now incorporate AI to enhance game playing and make it more immersive for players. This application presents the gaming industry's part. Non-player characters. Everyone we know about the non-player characters. AI can use to control the behavior of NPLs and NPCs games. These characters are interact with the players in more realistic and dynamic ways. And next thing, game design. In artificial intelligence, we use design and balance game levels as well as generate new content such as enemies and items. AI can help the develop developer work easier. Next, gameplay. It can enhance the providing intelligent opponent for players to face off against. Next, virtual assistant. Some games includes virtual assistant that helps players by providing information during gameplay. This assistant use NLP to understand and respond to the player. Next, personalization. Artificial intelligence can personalize gameplay for individual player by adapting to their performance and playstyle. This helps keep players engaged and motivated to continue playing. Another application is AI in astronomy. In astronomy field, AI can help the scientists to identify a vast collection of images in the accurate manner. AI can classify the stars, label galaxies, and evaluate redshifts. For example, we know about James Webb Telescope. It takes many pictures at a time. That pictures are identified and classified by the artificial intelligence in the space stations or research centers. Okay, next, AI in healthcare industries. Um, if we pick the AI technology, everybody we discuss about the artificial intelligence in healthcare industries like radiology, disease diagnosis, screening, the psychiatrist, drug interaction, primary care, manufacturing of drugs, electric health record, electronic health records. Like each and everything in healthcare can be analyzed and diagnosed by the AI, artificial intelligence. Like let me take some examples like nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is technology which is in small thing like 10 power minus 9 the nano is, it can helps to identify the cancer cells accurately and insert the drug in the cancer cell and helps to cure the disease with the help of artificial intelligence. Next, AI in transportation. We know about self-driving cars that able to detect traffic. Self-driving cars will reduce traffic accidents and also AI-equipped vehicles can able to detect the right path. Um, with the help of AI-equipped vehicles, we can increase the transportation security and safety also. Like everyone use Google Map. Like if we pick some destination, if in that path we have a heavy traffic or mile traffic or like that wise Google Map will provide it to help the transportation. It is help done by the artificial intelligence. Next, AI in agriculture. AI in agriculture. AI saves the agriculture sector from different factors such as changes, population growth, employment issues in the field, and food safety. Like these applications are helped to detect the weather and pricing forecasting. It helps to identify in particular temperature the particular crop will be grown like that wise it will be identified by the AI and price forecasting will also analyzed by the AI. Next, health monitoring of crops. If any insects or pests, any insects are affect the crops, it will be analyzed and analyzed by the AI and provide the right medicine and pesticides to the crops. Agriculture robotics, like um, in in like irrigation process, the spraying technology or monitoring of crop is done by the AI technology. And AI in education. AI in education is not about humanoid robot as a teacher to replace human teachers, but it is about use computer intelligence to help teachers and students and make their education such as better and effective. In AI in education method is used to automate the basic activity of the education with the help of AI and also support the students and staff to activate the knowledge and gain the importance of that particular topics by the help of AI. Also help to help the students and teachers with the help of feedback which will be provided by the staffs and students. A e-commerce. Um, nowadays everyone use e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, like that. We are purchasing and purchasing products like in e-commerce. In that e-commerce, we can easily um, identify the voice search and chatbot to answer the customer queries, and all. It will be image searching and recognition. It's like everyone know about the lens in Google. It will be take some picture and provide the related detail about the picture. Likewise, we use AI in e-commerce also. Next, AI in entertainment. Yeah, in entertainment also is related to gaming industries. It provides a movie production. In, uh, we can able to easily view the movie in other language too by the help of subtitles. The subtitles is provided by the AI with the subtitles with the help of AI. In search optimization also done with the help of AI. Next, AI in robotics. Robot is not a machine that look like human. Um, it will capable for performing out of box action like replicating the human movement automatically means a command given by the using programs. Like robots are not really look like a human replication. It will be just like a machine. That machine will be performed with the help of provided programming language. Uh, the applications will be the robots will executed in the some certain sectors like defense sectors. With the help of machines in defense sectors, the human value will be increased. And medical sector, the accurate diagnosis and the analysis and even in operation also the medical sorry the operation also machines will be plays a crucial role for the activity and a in automation. um, we all know about the self-driving car. uh, it will be run without the help of manually. uh, the car will be drive friend the drive will drive sorry the car will be drive with the help of AI. It can be analyzed who which vehicles are what is the environment surrounded by the car and also analyze the activity done by the surrounding and that self-driving car analyzes that and provide execute that operation with the help of certain program language. um, with the help of automotive in AI, we can reduce the uh, traffic accidents and if someone driving means yes, they get tired or something else. But with the help of auto driving car, we just instruct them where we need to go and which is our destination. In that destination, the car is automatically get to the position with the help of AI. In social media, um, text and visual content creation in social media is with the help of AI. Social media monitoring and managing like ad management influence research is done by the AI. AI can easily calculate the trending videos and with the help of views and downloads. Um, AI has certain calculating formula for getting the trending videos and trending things in day-to-day life. Next, A in data security. If we have some data which is threatened by virus or hackers, something else, our data will be spied by someone. It will be identified by the AI. Uh, if the if that instruction was harmful to our data, the AI can be act as a yes, the AI can act as a antivirus in that field. So AI plays a major role in data security also. After that, AI in finance. In current day-to-day life, everyone will focus on financial status. It will be in stock market or blockchain, like some investment in certain things that will be securized by the artificial intelligence, and the process of the automation in finance, it will be accurately performed by the AI and make sure the security of the AI. Okay, now we will discuss some websites related to AI. Okay, in this session, many of you know about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a website which will be used to um, which will be asked with the help of AI. If we ask any question, it will be answered with the perfect answers. If the answer is not satisfied us, we can also ask that this answer is not needed for me. So you provide next any other answer. Means it apologizes us and provide the alternative answers for it. Like, shall we try this? Okay, if we ask what is AI in ChatGPT, it will explain about AI and their types and also their activities also. Yeah, it will be done by the artificial intelligence. See, it will provide the details and types, narrow AI, general AI. Likewise, it will provide the detailed explanation about the AI. Likewise, we ask any question about in any field. You can just ask some question, it will be easily answered to everything. Like that CPT, the another website also, it's Tom. Tom is used to Tom is used to only prepare for PPTs, like PowerPoint presentation. See how it will work. I just provide AI. Wait a minute, please. Okay, in my system, it will be corrected. Sorry for the inconvenience. Like this ChatGPT, like ChatGPT, the Tom also activates like if we need some presentation like some topic, it will provide maximum 8 or 10. If we needed the maximum number of pages, we easily create in that. Like Canva, in Canva we can easily prepare the PPT. Likewise, we just provide the topic only. It will be automatically provide the presentation and with the image also. Like artificial intelligence in a current scenario, it plays a crucial role in the digital world. Um, with the help of AI, we can easily reduce the human works and they make human free from the depression and stress. So AI plays a very very important role in our life. So thank you guys for listening this session.
The participants are requested to join the quiz which is being provided in the chat box.
So, thank you, Rasika and Sharmi, for your valuable section about AI in real time application. So, all the participants are requested to open the browser and type the URL as www.kahoot.it for joining the quiz. Join with your original name. So, winners will get the appreciation e certificate at the final. Thank you. So participants, kindly join the quiz immediately.
Your game pin is 6318557. Your game pin is 6318557. Only 7 members have joined.
Participants, join the quiz immediately.
Your game pin is 6318557. Okay, let's start our section. Question number 1. What is the full form of AI? Your options are artificially intelligent, artificial intelligence, artificially intelligence, advanced intelligence. 4 members have answered. Okay, your options are artificially intelligent, artificial intelligence, artificially intelligence, advanced intelligence. Only 8 seconds left. 15 members have answered. Okay. 15 members have answered correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Praveen Kumar is in the first place with the score of 1808. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Which one of the following is the branch of artificial intelligence? Your options are machine learning, cyber forensics, full stack developer, network design. Your options are machine learning, cyber forensics, full stack developer, network design. Okay, 14 members have answered. 9 members have answered correctly. Let's move on to the podium. Manas is in the first place with the score of 2688. Let's move on to the next question. What is the goal of artificial intelligence? The options are to solve the artificial problems, to extract the scientific causes, to explain the various sorts of intelligence, to solve the real world problems. 4 members have answered, only 14 seconds left. The options are to solve the artificial problems, to extract scientific causes, to explain various sorts of intelligence, to solve the real world problems. Okay. 4 members answer correctly. Let's move on to the podium. Ritika is in the first place with a score of 3250. Let's move on to the next question. Fourth question. Based on which of the following parameter artificial intelligence is categorized? The options are based on functionally only, based on capabilities only, based on functionally and capabilities. It is not categorized. 6 members answered. 15 seconds left. Based on functionally only, based on capabilities and functionally, it is not categorized. 14 members have answered correctly. Let's move on to the podium. Again, Ritika is in the first place with the score of 450. Next question. Which of the following is the component of artificial intelligence? Your options are learning, training, designing, puzzling. The options are learning, training, designing, and puzzling. 18 seconds left. 15 members have answered. Okay, 10 members have answered correctly. Let's move on to the podium. Balaji is in the first place with the score of 4935. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a type of artificial intelligence agent? The options are learning AI agent, goal-based AI agent, simple reflex AI agent, unity-based AI agent. The options are learning AI agent, goal-based AI agent, simple reflect AI agent, unity-based AI agent. 30 members have answered. Only 5 seconds left. Okay, 4 members have answered correctly. Let's move on to the podium. Again, Balaji is in the first place with the score of 5578. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an application of artificial intelligence? The options are face recognition system, chatbot, LiDAR, DBMS. 4 members have answered. The options are face recognition system, chatbot, LiDAR, DBMS. 10 seconds left. 11 members have answered. Okay, 12 members have answered correctly. Let's move on to the podium. Again, Balaji is in the worst place with the score of 6136. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. How many numbers of informed search method in the artificial intelligence? Your options are 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your options are 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, 10 members answered correctly. Let's move on to the podium. Again, Balaji is in the first place with the score of 7035. Next question, question number 9. Which one of the following is not a commonly used programming language for artificial intelligence? Your options are Perl, Java, Prolog, LISP. Your options are Perl, Java, Programlog, LISP. 7 members answer. Okay, 15 seconds are left. Okay, 10 members answered correctly. Let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the podium. Again, Balaji is in the first place with the score of 7,934. Next question. Last question. Which one of the following mission requires input from the human but not interrupt the output themselves? The options are actuator, sensor, agent, AI system. Your options are actuator, sensor, agent, AI system. 15 seconds left. 15 members have answered. Okay, 9 members have answered correctly. Okay, let's move on to the podium. Third place goes to Ritika with the score of 6,408. And second place goes to Anusha. And the first place goes to Balaji with the score of 8,870.
So, congratulations, winners. Kindly type your full name and mail ID on the chat box immediately for getting appreciation e-certificates. Thank you.
Thank you.
The participants are requested to kindly fill the feedback link which is being provided in the chat box. I'm grateful to the esteemed delegates of the webinar for their presence and efforts in making this event a great success. I also extend my sincere thanks to our honored resource people and the heads of the departments of Humanities and Science, CSC, IT, ECE, EEE, AIDS, AID, ML, Civil, Mechanical, CSBS, and Cybersecurity.
Thank you to all participants for this valuable section. Thank you.